Welcome to Netgear. Today in our new series we are gonna teach you how to do quick things with your television. These days in Gibraltar you can have many connections through the internet, but there are still some aerial signal. Today we are gonna show you how to do the setting of the channels. For that purpose you must have, first of all, a remote control. Then we go to settings. In settings we go to broadcasting, auto tuning, and we select auto tuning. Now this is very important. Aerial, we must select cable. Channel type, we got digital and analog, digital, analog. You can select straight digital. The analog channels were lost about 2 years ago, so it's no point selecting. And now this is the important thing. Search mode, you must select full. If you don't select full, you won't find any channels. Then we press scan, and the TV will start looking for the channel. It usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and don't fear about it. It usually takes some time to get the first channels. It will get all the channels about, when it reaches about the 80%. So when it reaches the 80%, it's almost done. So that's it. That's how you set up the TV. If you have any questions or inquiries, just come to the store and our staff will help you. See you next time.